This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the lug nut protective cover nuts, then remove the cover. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts, then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the appropriate front wheel. Remove the wheel for the drive axle being replaced. Pry off the hub cover. Remove the drive axle hub nut and washer. To prevent the hub from rotating, insert a long punch or screwdriver through the window in the brake caliper and into the disc cooling vanes. Remove the drive axle to axle shift flange bolts. Have an assistant apply the brake as you loosen the bolts to prevent the drive axle from turning. Separate the drive axle from the axle shaft flange. Remove the stabilizer bar link to provide clearance for drive axle removal. Lower the inner end of the drive axle, then pull the stub shaft out of the hub. Carefully guide the drive axle out from under the vehicle. Shop rags are shown wrapped around the drive axle to help prevent damaging the boots. If the stub shaft sticks in the hub spleens, tap on the end of the shaft with a brass punch and a hammer. If that doesn't free the spleens, push the drive axle from the hub with a puller. Before installing the drive axle, lubricate the spleens on the stub shaft with a multi-purpose grease. Maneuver the drive axle into position and insert the stub shaft into the hub. Attach the drive axle inner flange to the axle shaft flange and install the flange bolts. Install a new hub nut and washer to the drive axle stub shaft. Install the stabilizer bar link. Tighten the stabilizer bar link fastener to the specified torque setting. Tighten the drive axle flange bolts to the specified torque setting. Tighten the drive axle hub nut to the specified torque setting. Install the hub cover, pressing it firmly into place. Use a hammer and punch if necessary. Install the front wheel and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Install the lug nut cover and tighten the bolts securely.